Now this is the surface of our planet Earth. And on this surface, some are highlands and some are lowlands. Now, as you can see, these lowlands are pretty flat. And as a result, living here is much easier than living in the highlands. And as a result, this area is preferred by most of the animals and humans to live. Now, these lowlands are mainly of two types. One is the plains and one is the deserts. So we'll understand what these are. Now, when we come to plains, plains are usually very flat with no undulations at all. And such plains are much preferred by human beings and animals. Because naturally, as these are plains and completely flat, living on them and walking on them, all the different works which we do are easier in plains. Now, because plains are much easier to live in and you can easily construct all types of houses and buildings in plains, as a result, most of the people live in the plains. So you can see all the different plains in the world are usually very highly populated. That is, lots of people live in these areas. Now, apart from the plains, there is another area which is also flat, but usually is not preferred by both humans and animals to live. Well, they are the deserts. Now, deserts are a very different area because they receive very less rainfall. And as a result, they are very dry. And so, none of the green plants usually can survive in this area. Even we humans and animals need water, right? And they do not get any rainfall. As a result, they are very difficult to live in. Now, among the deserts, one type of desert is the hot desert. Now, hot desert is very hot and very dry. In fact, it is so hot that all the rocks in this area actually broke down because of the sun's heat, and slowly in many years they converted to sand. As a result, the entire area is covered with only sand. So usually hot deserts are covered by sand entirely. Now in our country, India too, there are two hot deserts. One is the Thar desert and another is the Run of Kutch. Now Thar desert is completely covered with sand because of very high heat. But Run of Kutch is another unique type of desert. Well, this is also a hot desert, but all this white area in this region which you see, all this is not sand but salt. And whatever you see here in Thar desert is sand. So you see, even in hot deserts in our country, there is a salty hot desert and there is a sandy hot desert. So these are very dry areas, and usually none of the trees and plants which we see all around us can survive in these hot areas. But there is one particular type of plant which is very hardy. Well, it's called cactus. Now, cactus are very different from our normal plants because they don't have leaves. In fact, they have thorns all over their body. And because of this, they are able to survive the high heat of deserts and completely dry environments too. So, cactus is a very important plant which survives in deserts too. Now, apart from the hot deserts, cactus can actually survive in another type of deserts. What are those? Well, those are the cold deserts. Now, cold deserts also receive very less rainfall and they are very dry, but they are very cold too. They are not hot like the hot deserts. And because they are very cold, so usually a lot of ice actually deposits on these surfaces. As a result, they are called cold desert because they are covered with ice or snow. Now, two of the very famous cold deserts in the world are the Gobi Desert and the Atacama Desert. So these deserts are usually very cold, and most of the time you will find snow deposited on their surfaces. So now we know that plains and the two types of deserts, that is cold desert and hot deserts, are actually lowlands. But how they are lowlands and why they are called lowlands, while we know that other areas like mountains and hills and plateaus are actually highlands? Well, the difference is the level of the sea. Now usually the lowlands are very close to the sea level. That is, you see, this is the level of the sea, and these areas are usually much closer to the level of the sea, while all the highlands are actually much higher. You can see these are much higher than the level of the sea. So these are the highlands, while these are the lowlands, as they are very close to the sea level. So today you learnt about two different types of lowlands. One is the plains and other is the deserts. And although both are lowlands, both are very different from each other. While plains are much easier to live, they have the right temperature and right type of terrain so that different types of animals and humans can live easily. While deserts are also lowlands and pretty flat, but they are covered with usually sand or ice, and they are very dry. As a result, it is very difficult to live in a desert. So these are the two type of lowlands on our planet Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.